Hey guys, Classic Mechanics here. Today I'm going to be showing you two ways of doing the water pump on an S95. I believe it is a 1994 to a 2005 or 2004. Not too sure on the years, but if correct me if I'm wrong, leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, so first off, this is the water pump right here, this big chrome piece, aluminum piece you see right here. Now I'm going to walk you through how to get, the first way is going to be getting it off, and then I'll walk you through the second way of getting it off. So first step is you're going to need to come to this tensioner pulley down here to take the tension off the belt. Once you take the tension off the belt, you're going to come over here to this pulley right here and take off the 4 bolts that are attached to the pulley, and this pulley will just slide off. Now once you slide that pulley off, there are bolts, as you can tell, there are bolts all the way around it that hold the water pump in, and they are on the bottom as well. I'm not too sure how many bolts there are, but yeah. Anyway, so once you get the pulley off, you get the bolts out, you see this bracket that's right here, that comes to the power steering pump. Now the first way of getting it off is getting a puller or a plier and getting this pulley off. But if it hasn't been done, be very careful, because as you can tell, you can crack it, and the next time it breaks or something, it might be a little bit harder to get off. Once you get that pulley off, there are 2 or 3 bolts behind it. Let me see if I can get in there. Can't quite see them, but there are 2 or 3 bolts behind that, and then this plate comes off, the water pump comes out. That's the first way. The second way, which is the way we had to do it, is this whole bracket that's holding the alternator and the power steering pump with the idler pulley. That whole bracket has to come out, and to do that, there is a bolt right there in that hole, and then there's 2 more underneath that allow this bracket to come out. Now once that bracket comes out, it also relieves this bracket that's attached to the power steering pulley to come free, and the water pump slides completely out. And then vice versa, to put it back on, you would do the same things, same steps you did taking it off. Also be very careful that you use the right equipment, the right tools. You know, we don't need you stripping any bolts, because trust and believe, we have done that. But that's 2 ways of doing it. Classic Mechanics here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys want us to do any other videos on cars, or if you guys have any questions, whatever, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.